Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami dual lightsaber. Now, you might know this lightsaber as Darth Maul's lightsaber, and what you can do is right here, if you fold this back, and you crease sharply, and if you fold this back, crease sharply, and turn it over like this, and fold it back, and it ignites. So, want to learn how to make it? Well, here goes. So, begin with a square sheet of paper, colored side up, fold in half diagonally, turn over, and fold in half, like that, and half the other way. Okay? Now, oh yeah, and if you're wondering what this is, it's a bug that I designed. Anyway, so fold that, and in the crease that's a valley, you're gonna fold on this crease, like that. Okay, now you're gonna fold this into eighths. Okay, then you're going to fold it into 16ths. Okay, so now what you should do is right here where there's the center line, you're going to count 1 and fold right there. Then you're just going to pleat like that on all of the sides. Okay. Now you're going to repeat what you just did on the other side. Okay, so now that you have that, what you're going to do is take this, unfold this part, and pull it like that. Do the same here. Take this, unfold that part. Now what you're going to do is flip this part like this, and fold this over to the top. And then you're going to fold this back down so it can get the thinness to look like that. Now you're going to fold this up Okay, now you're going to fold this back. And you're going to fold this in half. Well, but before you do that, you're going to take this and fold these two behind. Now you're going to fold in half. And crease sharply because you don't want it to unfold while you are damaging your enemies. And now you're going to unfold this and fold this one corner here. Okay, and now you are going to take this right here and fold this up. And then fold it down. And then right here, you're going to fold this down. That. Then you're going to fold this up. Then you're going to open this where there's two flaps. And you're going to fold this in. Now, you can use glue right here, but then it's not really origami. And then, what you're going to do now is take this and place it all sharply. And you can see are starting to have the design. And to make it like the lightsaber, you're going to take this and fold this down. And then you can fold this like over here. And then fold this down right here. So it's kind of like a little circle thing point right here. And you're going to do the same right here. Reverse fold it. Fold it down. Okay, then once you have that, you might need something like a pencil to get this to form, but you might not. Okay, and take this part and fold this down. It's okay if it unfolds, because you can always put it back. But before you put it back, you might want to put it in the other one. Now you can open this. And then you can fold this down. And there's your dual lightsaber, aka Darth Maul's lightsaber. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.